7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Welcome to the Easter Crime Time Show. Why crime? Why Easter? You see, in Norway, where I am from, crime and Easter goes together like hands and gloves. During Easter, you'll see lovely, adorable little yellow chickens, but also crime everywhere. Not literal, but we do like to read up on some crime novels, marathon up on some crime shows, and on the radio, crime series, audio style. Even our milk cartons are decorated with mystery cartoons, crime cartoons. Who did it? Was it the butler? Who knows? Today is Smoke and Mirrors Day. All about deception, eh? Mysterious. Later in the show, the viewer segment, Guess That Sound, where you can go to the comment section and guess the sound and win awesome prizes. First, our Easter special mystery parody comedy show, Paradise Motel.
I'm gonna put my stuff here, okay? I'm so excited! Oh my god, the confessional! Wow! I was so excited that I was chosen to be on this show. Like, totally like a dream come true for me. Oh my god. Like, it's always been a really long dream of mine in my life to be on a reality show. Like, I can't even begin to say how amazing this is. Like, I've waited my entire life to be on a reality TV show.
Yeah, I'm only here because I got a big kid for my apartment. Free place to stay, free food. I'm like, yeah, sounds cool to me. Hi, I'm Mindy. I'm so excited to be on this show, yeah. I have been put on a secret quest to save humanity, one person at a time.
Like, I applied to Big Brother, and then they said no. And she was super nice. Like, I'm so sure that we're gonna be BFFs. And then I applied to Paradise Hotel, and they said no. Like, I don't mind that, like, I was prettier than her.
Well, when I heard that the show was going to be aired again, I knew. It was going to be a Cinepalooza.
And then I applied to Jersey Shore, and they said no. And then I applied to,
Where how'd you enter?
like the one, what's her name? She kind of looks like she's dead. Jersey Shore. And they said no. Yeah, like we rode here on the way here, like in the cab, and we were so BFFs, you know?
I spent the cab ride with her 30 minutes locked in a car with that girl.
Like we're totally gonna be BFFs.
I just, like the instant I met her, I just knew I wanted to punch her in the face.
BFFs forever.
Just really hope we're not going to be roommates because that would like, oh my
BFFs forever.
There will be no carnal lust in this motel. None. None.
What's a motel?
Quite thrilling. I wonder who will be checking in tomorrow.
Guess the sound. Guess the sound. Guess the sound. Guess the sound. Guess the sound.
If you're not a subscriber of mine yet, look at that mustache. Isn't it wonderful? If you click it, you'll become my subscriber, aka my mustache. Because that's what I call my subscribers. If you want to have a sneak peek at my previous shows, click that arrow. For tomorrow's episode, when it's aired, it's clickable in that awesome Easter egg.